Hello everyone, welcome to Tony Talks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Thank you for tuning in. We appreciate you. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your like. And if you're a new subscriber here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on our videos. Yes, let's dive into this. Today's video is good. Watch it right now. Thank you. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.
You could not ask any question. And some people are saying you are looking for justice. What justice? Thank you, ma. What justice are you looking for? Baba is the only one that looking for justice. Baba is the Ṣé Baba jọ ẹni tó look for justice lójú àbí gbogbo yóò gbádùn ni? Àwọn questions tó yẹ kẹ́ bi wọ́n, you cannot ask him because you're overprotecting him. If anybody wants to talk about him, you will shut them up. Like, oh, don't talk about Baba. Oh, don't talk about Baba. Ask him. Gbogbo nǹkan tí bàbá yẹn lóhun ṣe yẹn, mo gbé lọ sí police station, mo gbé lọ sí mortuary. Why tó ṣe jẹ́ ilẹ̀ ṣe? Ṣé àwọn èèyàn 100 yẹn? This boy was a popular person. Àwọn èèyàn bí, you say you met about 100 people in that house. That 100 people, they couldn't do what you were doing. Ṣé wọ́n lè ṣe? You're supposed to be in your house. The people will come to your house and console you and sympathize with you. You are not supposed to be in the scene. You were in the scene throughout. You destroyed the justice. We couldn't find the justice because of you. You destroyed everything. And you like anti-justice. These people you're calling anti-justice, they are the real people that are looking for justice. You guys are not looking for justice, you're looking for money. How much money have you contributed so far? You have been contributing money here and there. How many times have you seen this your anti-justice team contributing money? What for? What for? How many times have you seen me putting my paper, BA, meet paper, we want to get a lawyer? What for? Because FRIRO, and we are going to take Agbakogba. We are going to take justice. We are going to take this. Well, you want to take lawyer every day because you're looking for somebody that will turn the lies to truth for you. Very soon now, she too will hands off. Very soon he will hands off. But the man you are following doesn't listen. If you know how much Timoshe Duro Kwiki family madam, if you know how much I tried for him not to destroy his family, but he refused. Because he wanted to destroy the family. He thought he's going to be a celebrity or something overnight. Because African TV was in his life. African TV destroyed him. African TV be jino. Sibiti o expect. Ori right. You know, ori right. Ni gbogbo ìlú. African TV pariwo oríṣiríṣi, wọ́n máa ṣe museum, ẹ máa make $10,000 lóṣooṣù nínú museum yẹn, ẹ máa damn, because of money. You want to have everything to yourself alone. You don't want to share anything with anybody. You know Liam is your grandson. But if you bojú ẹ̀jẹ̀, if you yiwe, because African TV was calling Wunmi every time. Nígbà yẹn, pé àwọn máa fún 10 million, kó máa ṣe DNA, we'll give you 15 million, kó máa ṣe DNA, we'll give you 30 million. Does that African TV look like somebody that have 20 million naira? I will give you 50 million, I will give you 30 million, come and do DNA, I will give you 100 million, come and do DNA. Because they want to change everything. They're not happy. They're not happy to go to the court. No, they don't want that. They know what they're doing. Because Josie Gogomo Pomoni, they don't want to do it through court. But Tolani, where are his other wives and children? She only a winning Olena. She has a wife at home. Yeah. The last wife is there. other wives, he took their children from them too, like Iya Mohbad. So only ìyàwó nínú ilé, ìyàwó yẹn náà ti bí àwọn ọmọ síta, so òun náà wá fẹ́ wọn. Mọ̀ pé ìyẹn náà forí ẹ̀ pamọ́, ó ti bímọ wọn, wọ́n ti kọ̀ yẹn náà lẹ̀ nílé, wọ́n ti kọ̀ kiri, so òun náà wá forí pamọ́ síbẹ̀. Wọ́n sì ní ọmọ 6 years ni, ọmọ last born wọn 6 years ni. Ẹ wá jókòó, ẹ wá ṣe òṣì, ẹ wá ń pariwo, ẹ wá ń búlì, ẹ wá orí social media yìí ni mo ti pè ya Lọ́ládé níjọ́ yẹn náà, gbà tó yẹ ẹbẹ̀ sí ní change, ẹbẹ̀ sí ní tọ̀nà. Ṣé rò bí mi máa pè wọ́n lẹ́yìn ni? Tí bá pé mo pè wọ́n lẹ́yìn lọ́jọ́ yẹn, ìyá yẹn ò lè ṣe kankan. No, kò sí nǹkan tí Lọ́ládé lè ṣe. Tó bá pé mo pè wọ́n lẹ́yìn lọ́jọ́ yẹn, wọ́n máa ṣe, wọ́n ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ sí mi. No, she can't talk to me anyhow. Ẹ wá post, ẹ wá ṣòṣì. Ṣé mi, ẹ dúró, ṣé bẹ́ ṣe wò mí, mi ní story Lọ́ládé ni. But I don't do that. I'm not a bully. I am not a bully. A lot ni mo ní, jẹ́jẹ́ mi ni mo jókòó. Ọkọ Lọ́ládé gbé story Lọ́ládé wá fún mi ni. Ó ṣe ẹ rí mi kí wá sọ ni. Ṣé mi ní voice note ọkọ Lọ́ládé ni? No. I'm not a bully. Justice for Mohbad máa lọ, ó máa tán. Justice for Mohbad, ó máa tán. So kí ni ó fẹ́ gain nínú kékeré onílé dàrú? Adé sọ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ká gidi borí. But thank God, look at where we are. Look at us. We are happy with everything because we can't fight government. Everybody will get to their bus stop. They will come off the bus. Gbogbo wa yìí la máa kú. Walking dead everybody. Time ta máa kú la mọ̀. Kò sí kíní nínú ikú na, everybody ló máa kú na. And somebody will like, I don't care if I'm going to lose, I'm going to use my life for the end of the game. I am going to give up my life for justice for Mohbad. What for? What for? Gbogbo wa la máa kú. Mbá ti dé àsìkò iyì, gbogbo wa la ní pé ká kú, lásìkò tó máa yẹ wá ní ká kú. Tó bá ní ikú yẹ̀yàn, ó yẹ Mohbad. Josi ló bẹ̀ yín ẹ̀jẹ̀. Josi, ẹ̀yin lẹ bẹ̀ yín ẹ̀jẹ̀. Just because of what? He has offended you. He offended you when he was alive. You could not forgive him. Even in death, you still can't forgive him. You want to mess him. Everything you are doing right now, you're fighting Mohbad. And people say you're looking for justice for Mohbad. You're not. You're not looking for justice for Mohbad. You want to punish Mohbad. You dislike Mohbad. Kotoku. Yes, you used to be friends, but not anymore. Kotoku yen. Eti dota. Eti dislike. Eti ebi koku ni. Everybody can see my suffering now. That is the reason why tí wọ́n ṣe ló kú tẹ́ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ kú tó pa. Torí pé ẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ mọ̀. Ìfẹ́ tí kò lọ́kọ yín. For taking his mother back. For taking his mother back was the problem between you and Mohbad. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí Mohbad ṣẹ̀ yín nìyẹn. For taking his mother back in his life. You put all your life on Mohbad. You put all your life on Mohbad. You don't want anybody to enjoy Mohbad. Even pẹ̀lú àwọn àdúrà, pẹ̀lú àwọn ìbùkún, you always tell Mohbad not to give them anything. Divide and rule. Ẹ̀kẹ́yìn wọn síra wọn so that wọ́n ní owó gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. You put all your life on Mohbad. Thanks for the stars. Ẹni tó fún mi star lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ẹ gbé gbogbo life yín sórí Mohbad. Ẹ fẹ́ kí ìyá ẹ jẹ ńbẹ̀, ẹ fẹ́ ká burú ẹ jẹ lára, ẹ fẹ́ ká gbọ́n ẹ jẹ lára, ẹ fẹ́ ká anybody jẹ lára. You want to be the only person. I trained him alone. I did him alone. I raised him alone. How long? How far did you train Mohbad? You trained Mohbad. That's your modumelo. You left him when? Mohbad has been on the streets since 14 years old. So when did you train him? How did you raise him? He has been on the street. That's why he dropped out. That's why he dropped out. Benny. Mohbad has been on the street. That's about 14 years. So when did you raise him? Tell me. When did you raise him? So if Mohbad was in your house, show mama. He's been on the streets, sleeping everywhere, squatting. So when did you raise him? You took Mohbad from his mom. Lomo Dumelo. Now Omodumeson. Because you said Adura was 2 years. Adura was Kiriko year. Omodumelo lo ala ni Mohbad àti Adura. About 6 years. Wọ́n gbọ́mọ ẹni bí ọmọ ọdún méjì, ọmọ ọdún mẹ́ta ló gbàdúrà fún yín. Àbí ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni Mohbad gbé ọmọ ọdún mẹ́sàn. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó lẹ fi sílẹ̀ ńta. Ọmọ ọdún 14 years ó ti wà ńgboro tó ti sùn títì. Because of what? Because you're a womanizer. You sleep with everything under skirts. Everything. You couldn't look after them. So when did you raise him? A carpenter that has 4 wives. Tell me, how did you raise him? A carpenter, a poor man with 4 women. A poor man with about 10 children. How did you raise him? Tell me, a carpenter. Tell me, carpenter with 4 women, 4 wives, with a lot of concubines. So how do you raise Mohbad? You caused everything. You should have left Mohbad with his mother. You took Mohbad. You took those children out of their mom. You bullied their mother and took the children away from her. Emma bullying. You abused that woman so that she has to leave you. With all you're doing right now, who can marry you? The woman in your house right now, ẹni tó ti lélẹ̀ ni tí wọ́n ti bímọ kiri tó ti lélẹ̀, òun náà gbà kámú ni. So tell me, how did you raise him? He dropped out. Ṣó school ni? No. So báwo lẹ ṣe raise Mohbad? Àwọn ìyàwó tẹ́ ń gbé wọ́n fi àjẹ wọn ni now. Wọ́n la pot ọbẹ̀ mọ́ wọn lórí, wọ́n la ọmọ orogun mọ́ lórí ni. So ibuleti trip Mohbad. Nígbà táwọn NDLA dá sọ̀rọ̀ life Mohbad, where were you? Were you there? So why are you saying you raised Mohbad? I single-handedly raised Mohbad. I said, what is the meaning of single-handedly? So how did you meet Wunmi? Thanks for the stars, Arike Ade. Báwo ni Mohbad ṣe mọ Wunmi? Tell you ma single-handedly raised Mohbad. You say you met Wunmi 4 years ago, in 2024, January, right? 2020 rather. You say you met Wunmi for the first time in 2020. So shall I eat about boyfriend? Àti fẹ́ boyfriend yẹ fọ́dún mẹ́ta ọdún mẹ́rin káwọn parents wá tó mọ̀ náà. So put everything together. They met in their school, in high school. So níbo lẹ wà tẹ́ fi raise Mohbad with 4 wives, 4 women, with lots of concubines. Gbogbo àwọn kékèké tẹ́ gbé lọ sílé àwọn Mohbad yẹn, ṣáwọn ìyàwó lé yín làwọn yẹn. Ṣé ní lára àwọn mẹ́rin tó bímọ fún yín nìyẹn àwọn yẹn? No. You and Wunmi were very, very close. Tẹ́ bá ti gbé girlfriend, ẹ máa fi wọn Wunmi ni. Tẹ́ bá ti ní girlfriend with me, ẹ tún máa fi wọn Wunmi ni. Gbogbo àwọn kékèké tẹ́ gbé lẹ máa fi photo ẹ wọn Wunmi náà. Irresponsible man. Rí fídíò tí wọ́n gbé lórí Instagram yìí. Fídíò Wunmi ti kékeré yẹn tẹ́ àwọn síta. Tẹ́ ya wọn síta. Orí Instagram yìí ló ti gbé. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fẹ́ Instagram page wọn. If you want this Instagram page, I will give it to you. Even Mohbad gon like it. Ó like video yẹn lórí page yìí náà. Àwọn tí yàn sọ pé bàbá no anything about social media. Bàbá is a nìkan, bàbá is a nìkan, bàbá is a pastor. Ṣé pastor ló máa ya wọn báyìí? Pastor nìyẹn. Thank you, Arike Ade. Thank you, ma. Pastor mo máa ya wọn báyìí. Ní lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ìyàwó ọmọ ẹ̀. Mo tẹ̀ jẹ́ girlfriend ọmọ yín jókòó báyìí. Ẹ̀yàwó. Lọ́jọ́ Nemi Wunmi àti Mohbad tán ṣe Nemi. Kí lẹ ṣe ńbẹ̀? lọ́jọ́ introduction tẹ́ ní wọ́n change mọ́ marriage wọ́n sọ di marriage mọ́ yín lọ́wọ́ gbogbo obìnrin lẹ toast tán gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ Wùnmí lẹ toast ńbẹ̀. In fact lára àwọn àǹtí Wùnmí ẹ toast ẹ tẹ́ ń send owó sí pẹ́fẹ́fẹ́ níbi tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní tìjú sí ẹbí àwọn àna ẹbí Wùnmí ẹ tún toast ẹ tẹ́ ń send owó tẹ́lẹ́fẹ́fẹ́ nìyẹn concubine obìnrin ti pọ̀ jù. Ṣé àwọn tó tẹ̀lé yóò rí fídíò bí tẹ́tí yà hàn ṣé pásítọ̀ ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ àbí àwọn àbórí wọn ò pé ni. I liked I'm happy when I see a fine girl like you. Are you a pastor? So if you're not a pastor, how many wives are you going to marry? If you have a good job, how many women are you going to marry? Listen, 4 women have children for you. So tell me, how are you a pastor? Tell me, báwo lẹ ṣe wà responsible sí? Ẹ gbé girlfriend lọ sílé àwọn ọmọ yín. Ẹ gbé girlfriend lọ síbẹ̀ lọ ń bá wọn sùn mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ló ń pè yẹn? Ṣé pastor náà nìyí? You are irresponsible man. Ẹ ti so yan gan mọ́dì. Ẹ ti so yan gan, ẹ ti so mọ́dì. We are doing this. Lára ló bí mi, lára ló gbọ́mọ fún mi. I am not a woman. Ó ní kí n máa ga sọ́lá. I am now with Maria. Mo dẹ̀ rí baby kan. Ẹ ṣe báyìí. Ó bí ṣe ṣe bí alájà. Ìgbà tó rí mi pẹ̀lú ọmọ yẹn ara ẹ̀ gbóná bí sàlẹ̀ ẹ̀yà wọn. Irú bàbá ò lẹ jẹ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ girlfriend yìí. Tọ́mọ yẹn gan bá lálẹ́ ẹ̀ bá sùn. Oníranù nìyí. Oníranù nìyí. Obìnrin mẹ́rin fún pásítọ̀ lọ́mọdún mélòó? You're just 56. 56 years old. There are 4 women not bímọ fún yín. How will you raise them if you don't depend on social media? How would you raise them? How responsible are you? 4 women as a pastor. You want to be doing that pastor job so that you'll be sleeping with àwọn ọmọ ọjọ́. Àwọn ọmọ Èkìtì yẹn iṣẹ́ pastor yẹn lẹ máa ń ṣe, lẹ máa fẹ́ ṣe, kẹ́ lè máa gbá àwọn èèyàn kẹ́ máa lù wọ́n jìbìtì. Ẹ̀yà wọn báyìí. Ọkùnrin máa yọ àwọn lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ girlfriend ọmọ ẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ Wùnmí lẹ ti date tán. Tẹ́ máa toast wọn kiri, tẹ́ máa toast àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ ọmọ kékèké. Ọ̀tọ̀ lẹ máa wà lóòtẹ́ tẹ́ máa pè Mohbad ó yá tẹwó fún mi o, mo fẹ́ sanwó tẹ́ kí n jẹ́ kán sinmi. So now you have seen other children on social media. Let's see how far you can go. Let's see how far you can go with them. Very soon they will come for you. Wọ́n sọ yín bí wọ́n sọ yín ṣe rí ìtawà ṣe ó sì kéré níbi tán ṣe bọ̀ fún yín. They are coming for you. Come fi Veron lẹ̀ lọ́la, they will come for you. Come Farifa lọ́la, they will come for you. Because you're not doing the right thing. What are you looking for? Blood, they say, is thicker than water. Family is forever. You messed up. You messed up. Letole. You messed up. And when you're responsible, they hate your guts. I want irresponsible people. Bí àwọn kan fi yẹn, àwọn UK, àwọn tó support yín nìyẹn. Life tó ní nìyẹn, àtàwọn tó gbójú síta bí gbogbo ṣe rí nìyẹn. Ṣé bí àwọn náà ṣe camera down yẹn because they are useless. They don't have wọn láyọ̀. Ṣé bí àwọn náà ṣe camera down yẹn. Àwọn mélòó lẹ ti rí bí tó sọ pé ó ṣá ó ṣe camera down o, ẹnìkan ó ṣe camera down o, abẹ ẹ̀yin rí wa ká máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Because they were responsible. Ẹ kò pọ̀ ní irresponsible set of people. Àtàwọn ọkùnrin wọn níyàwó lé wọn lè báyàwó gbé wọn lè ṣe kankan. Ọmọ máa comment ni wọ́n máa say now we can tell you, now we can tell them to show you their wives. They don't have one. They cannot maintain a woman. Hence the reason why they're commenting, joining video everywhere. All they know how to do is say pay. Come and share pay. What happened to Mohbad? What happened to you? Come off it. Ṣé fi pay yẹn shut anybody up ni? Ọlọ́run ló lọ́lá, Ọlọ́run ló ní dédé. What happened to Mohbad? What happened to you? How about it happened to Mohbad? What happened to you? Mohbad was injected. So what happened to Mohbad? Huh? He was stabbed, right? And when he bipolar. Go and repent. Go and turn a new leaf. You cannot continue like this. Nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní proof, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní evidence lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ń gbé pè sórí àwọn ọmọ yín. Gbogbo ìpè tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ṣe fún mi ẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ yín lẹ̀ ń ṣe fún. Ṣé rí mi kí n máa dé pè yín padà? I don't give a damn. You lost on my page. Ẹ wà lórí TikTok mi. Ẹ máa ṣépè ni. I don't give a damn. I don't care. Because you ṣépè for your children because you don't have any proof, any reason láti ṣépè fún mi. Ẹni tó bá ní negativity nínú lè pè máa mọ̀. Ẹni tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ń ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa, ó lè pè máa mọ̀. Ẹni tó bá ń ṣe àìdá lè pè máa mọ̀. Èmi ò ṣe àìdá. I am only telling you the truth. I'm only telling you the truth. Láti jọ́ tí Liam ti pé one. Rest. Problem. From one problem to another. Ní Josie máa ló wá. Láti jọ́ tí Liam ti pé one. Because you said it by yourself. Pé ọmọ alọ́ba ò kí ń pọ́dún kan. Immediately that boy turned one. You will not have rest of mind. That boy will give you pressure till you come out and apologize. That boy, that little boy will give you pressure. Láti jọ́ tí Liam ti pé 1 year láti April, no rest of mind for you. You have been granting interview láti ìjọ́ yẹn gangan. Even on that day, you granted interview for GoFundMe. Àbí you made a show, àbí kí lẹ ṣe? Ṣé show lẹ ṣe àbí skit lẹ ṣe? Àmọ́ TikToker, ẹ ti di TikToker. On that day, you couldn't sleep. You came out to say, please, ẹ bá wa fowó sí, if you love Mohbad, put money. People were dragging you up to today. Since that day, ni wọ́n ti ń bá ṣe yín, kò tí stop rẹ̀. Tó bá ti di lọ́la ṣe, you will come and say something again. They will drag you every day. Because you said, ọmọ alọ́bọ̀ kí n pọ́dún kan. Táwọn tó ní làákàyè bá wà nítòsí, wọ́n á sọ pé ọmọ yẹn ti pọ́dún kan, ó yẹ kó lọ apologize ni. Ọmọ alọ́bọ̀ kí n pọ́dún kan, ó ti pọ́dún kan o. Ẹ jẹ́ ṣégè nínú yà, ó dẹ̀ máa jọdún kan lọ. Tọ́mọ yẹn bá tún máa pọ́ ọmọ ọdún méjì, nínú ìrora lẹ máa wà. Because wọn kì í ṣe gbogbo orí nìyẹn máa ń ṣàìdásí. Kì í ṣe gbogbo orí nìyẹn máa ń ṣàìdásí. Irú èmi tí mo jókòó sí ò lè ṣàìdásí mi. Ọlọ́run dá oníkálukú lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Ní ìtòrí ẹ̀mí ṣe ń ṣèkà, mí ń ṣèkà. Gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń wù ẹ́ kó sọ lépè, ó ṣe fáwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ nítorí pé èpè ò lè mẹ́mi, èpè ò lè mọ́ mi. Àfi tí mo bá ń ṣe negative thing ló kù. Ọmọ máa ṣe update kiri. Wùmí, where were you? Ta ló fi Wùmí ṣe security Mohbad? Tell me say, you could not drag your husband to the hospital. You could not. Why would she drag her husband to the hospital? Show security Mohbad lòun ni. Mohbad wá sílé ayé tiẹ̀, Wùmí wá sílé ayé tiẹ̀. Kí ló fi jẹ́ security ẹ̀? Baba Mohbad has right. He has every right to ask for DNA. He has every right to ask for DNA. Ṣé tí baba Mohbad láti jọ́ tí Mohbad ti kú. Ṣé Wùmí lè gbé baba Mohbad lọ fún child support pé kó wá máa sanwó child support ni? Can Wùmí take Baba Mohbad to court for child support? No. So why would So why would you say he has every right? Because her husband is not alive. His son is not alive. So he has every right. So when his son is not alive, yeah, nígbà tí ọmọ ẹ̀ kú yẹn, kò béèrè nǹkan tó ọmọ ẹ̀ máa jẹ, DNA ló ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀. Àbí ẹ ti sick. Láti jọ́ tí Mohbad ti kú, ṣé baba Mohbad ti ṣe é lò sí Liam rí? Láti jọ́ tí Mohbad ti kú, ṣé baba Mohbad ti gbé ọmọ tó máa ń gbé nígbà yẹn lọ́hùn, ṣó ti gbé sọ́wọ́ rí, ṣó ti dì mú báyìí rí? Ṣó ti béèrè pé ṣó ń mọ̀gì, ṣó ń jẹun? Kò béèrè, ṣùgbọ́n DNA ló yẹ kó béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọmọ tí ò mọ bó ṣe ń jẹun. Ọmọ tí ò wà responsible fún. Ṣé baba Mohbad ṣé Wùmí bóyá wà yẹn, ó lè lọ sí court kó lọ gbé lọ sí family court kó ní òun fẹ́ gba child support lọ́wọ́ baba Mohbad? Àbí? Ṣó lè béèrè? Wọ́n ní béèrè pé ṣé òun ló bẹ́ẹ̀ bímọ. So DNA ló wá kù lọ́hùn ní nǹkan tí ò sí ńbẹ̀. Àwọn kan wá ń tàn yẹn ṣì òṣì. Gbogbo ẹbẹ́ ṣe máa fọ́lẹ̀ lélẹ̀. We are here. We are watching. Ṣebí July ló ní kẹ́ wá court. Go to court in July. I am telling you tonight, even if you get that court order, we will appeal 100 times. You will not do that DNA until Liam bá dàgbà tó bá fẹ́ ṣe DNA. Yes, you can go ahead and do whatever. Not with you. Never. Not with you. It's not going to happen. So he dated your son for how many years before he got married to her? Yet only once ni wọ́n bára wọn sùn. You just, you know, eko mess ọmọ bọ̀bọ̀ yìí ni. Eko mess bọ̀bọ̀ yìí ni. And àwọn èèyàn tí mo bá sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n ní bọ̀bọ̀ yìí pleasant. I spoke to a lot of people. Wọ́n ní bọ̀bọ̀ yìí ò ṣe èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ó pleasant gan. No, bọ̀bọ̀ yìí pleasant gan. Yeah, lójó. And you came out. That's what my mess on social media. And some people will like, you are looking for justice. You're looking for justice. You don't want your son to have anything. You don't want your son to have anything that will make people to remember him. You don't want your son to have a child. Eh? Victor ni mo fẹ́ sọ mọ́ mi, wọ́n ní Daniel lẹ sọ. Daniel gangan lẹ fún ara yín sọ lọ́jọ́ kò mọ̀. Now you are saying Victor. See, the tiny dementia. Please press the love button, please, my beautiful people. Kilo day. I can talk now. I can talk. And you're telling people, kono basun, ọmọ mi mọ́lẹ̀, ó fọmọ ọpọlọ ọmọ mi, ṣé mo bá tá ń gbọ́ voice ẹ̀ tó sọ pé ṣó ya wèrè ni àbí kò fẹ́ dá fáwọn ìyá ẹ̀ ni, ìyẹn ló dọ̀dẹ̀. Ṣé mo bá tí wọ́n ní ó fẹ́ fún prime boy lẹ́ṣẹ̀ ó fọ́ gbogbo glass mọ́tò, ìyẹn ló read. I don't understand. And some people are supporting you as if Bogun no know for Mohbad. Eh? And for you to be saying, one look for mommy, or mommy, my daughter, oh my daughter, you called yourself a pastor. How come? Don't say no brain, you say look for money. Abi? She be a prayer pastor. Mama no dem for àdúrà jagun. So báwo lẹ ṣe wá sọ pé wọ́n fi on look for money ni. Báwo lẹ sọ pé Bogun no fi ń bọ́ money ṣe. Mo dúpẹ́ ọmọ dára, thanks for the stars. Báwo lẹ ṣe ń sọ? How do you say that as a pastor? That means you're not a pastor. And deceive àwọn èèyàn ni. You can't even be a pastor. You cannot be a pastor. Ẹ kò máa ba life àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ ni. Tẹ́ máa pò kọ bànújẹ́ fún wọn. Báwo lẹ ṣe níyàwó mẹ́rin? Come and tell us. At your age. Báwo lẹ ṣe níyàwó mẹ́rin? Babangida tó rúlù gbogbo ìlú tó lówó burúkú lọ́wọ́ gọ̀gọ̀ níyàwó mẹ́rin. Kíbo lẹ ti rí? Àwọn wo ló fún yín níyàwó mẹ́rin? Obìnrin mẹ́rin tó bímọ fún yín. Ọmọ bíi 10, carpenter. Ẹ wá gbé gbogbo problem yín lé Wùnmí àti Mohbad lórí. Ẹ wá gbé gbogbo problem yín lé Wùnmí àti Mohbad lórí. Ẹni tí ò ní ṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́, you don't have a job. Up to now, you've got no job. Yàtọ̀ sówó tó ń dá lórí social media. That's why they are able to control you. Because you want their money. You don't have a say. They want to tell you what to do. They want to tell you what to do because you're living on their money. You're feeding your children on their money, the public fund. So they have every right to tell you what to do. Kò sí reason kọ́kọ́ tẹ́ fi wá lawyer. Government, state ló ní case. The reason why you're contributing money for SAN every day, I don't get it. State ló ní case. Anything that comes out of this justice or anything, this autopsy, if they have to charge anybody, it's going to be against the state, not you. Ṣé wọ́n sue yín ni? Have you been sued? No. You don't need the lawyer. You don't need the lawyer, not to talk of 3. You have 3 lawyers. For what? So what are you going to bring out from that? Who are you taking to court? Liam. Who are you getting lawyer for? Liam. And you are tired now. You're tired. You can't go far. Because àwọn tá lọ́pọlọ là ń bá yín deal. Àwọn tá ń ṣe nǹkan nítorí owó, àwa là ń bá yín deal. Because whatever you're doing, because of the monetary gain, because of anything, material gain, you can't do it right. Àwa tá ṣe nǹkan nítorí gain Àwa lẹ ń bá deal. You are doing everything you're doing because of the money you want to make from this thing. That's why you're doing it. So you have to lie to cover lie. At the end of the day, you'll be exposed. You can't say the truth. Because your truth will not be okay with your supporters. They want you to lie to keep them going. So you have to lie. That is what they are paying you for. You have to keep on lying. So for how long are you going to be lying? This morning, Naira Marley, over jùlọ wọn mọ́ mi ni o, kò bully ọmọ mi o, tó bá tún di ìrọ̀lẹ́, Naira Marley pa ó ṣe mí ló ṣe lọ́mọ. You don't even know what you're saying. You're contradicting yourself. You are contradicting yourself. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ lọ sí Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀, wọ́n náà wá yín lọ́hùn kẹ́ lọ. You think Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ ó máa bà platform ẹ̀jẹ̀ because of you? You think Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ ó máa bà platform ẹ̀jẹ̀? You want to spoil his platform? Ó máa bà platform ẹ̀jẹ̀ because of you? Then irọ́. Because anybody that wants to work with you have to know how to lie. You want to teach them lie. Now you cannot confront Shitu. Go and confront him. Tell him to lie. You can't. You're looking for sand everywhere. You're crying for sand. You have got your sons now. So what have you been able to achieve from these sons? You have 3 lawyers going to court with you every time, going everywhere with you. So what have you been able to achieve? Have you been able to manipulate the results? No. You can't. So who have you been able to petition? All your petition has been thrown out because they know you are lying. You went to the court the other time, to the police station the other time. You left there shamefully because you couldn't stand the police. The police was talking to you like a baby. How long are you going to do this for? You were supposed to be at home. We are supposed to face the same justice for Mohbad. You destroy justice because you want to pin everything on that lady, innocent girl that respects you. She respected you a lot. Nígbà tí gbogbo kíní yẹn ò tí gbóná kọ́ mo máa sọ pé Ọlọ́run á ṣàbá mi yí wọn padà. Èmi àti daddy dé close o. Èmi àti daddy. Yes. Ẹ wá mú gbogbo ẹ wá dàrú, ẹ wá lejú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ẹ ti ẹ mọmọ yìí rí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ẹ ti ẹ mọ̀ rí, ẹ kò ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́ ni, ẹ kò gbójú ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ẹ ṣeré rí just because of money. Owó àpèkánukò, owó tó máa tán, tí ò ń ra yìí fún yàn, tí ò ń fún yàn lọ́lá, tí ò lè ṣe nǹkan kan fún yàn, owó. Owó tó jẹ́ pé tí àìsàn bá dé àbí tí kú bá dé ojú máa ń ti owó ni, owó ò ṣe kankan. Once you have money to eat, you can eat 3 times a day. Forget it. Okay, now you have been making that money on GoFundMe, on Access Bank and everything. So where is the happiness? You can't sleep. It's written all over you. Well, listen. Hey, listen. The boy is lying code it's lying there in the code. Ẹ̀yin yan fanda tẹ́tí gbàgbé ọjọ́ àti sùn ni agbára máa tán. Báwo lẹ ṣe mọ̀ gbà tágbára yín máa tán? Báwo lẹ ṣe mọ̀? Agbára máa tán. Ṣé kò yẹ kí tí Mohbad kọ́ yín lẹ́kọ̀ọ́? Ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tó ní bright future, tó ní plan, gbogbo ẹ̀ come to pass. So now ẹ̀yin ṣapá báyìí. How much do you need to survive? How much do you need? All the money you have been making, we can give you on this platform. All the money tí gbogbo wọn dá fún yín yẹn, we can give you on this platform. Tí ò dé ní báyọ̀ nù dé. Look at you. You cannot call your son anymore. You cannot call Adura. You can't talk to anybody. You're not a stranger. You were running around with strangers, claiming to be your children. Toma deceiving, Toma playing because they want to. I want not to fake the woo. They want to eat something. They are looking for. They want to milk. They will just milk you. Nothing. Because they don't love anybody. They don't love anybody. Ọmọ èèyàn nìkan ló máa ń bòyàn láṣìírí. Àwọn ọmọ èèyàn ló máa ń bòyàn láṣìírí. Yes, you couldn't sleep. Look at you. Ẹ wà ní police station lọ́jọ́ yẹn for how many hours? From láti 10 o'clock. Ó dà bá 5 lọ fi yín lẹ̀. At 5. Yes. Wọ́n ti gbà tí wọ́n rẹ́ni tó máa gbà yín sílẹ̀ shorty. For how long are you going to do this for? After the pride of your son, you're supposed to rest and learn. Kẹ́ máa bá àwọn ìyàwó sọ̀rọ̀, kẹ́ máa bá ìyá Mohbad sọ̀rọ̀, kẹ́ máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ Bíbélì kẹ́ fi máa gbọ́ra yín. Ẹ wá bọ́ sí gboro, ẹ wá sọ̀rọ̀ ayé di ajá àdìgbòlugi because of peanuts. How much have you made? Hello. Torí lion tó ń fún yín lórí social media. Lion tó ń fún yín lórí ló tún máa gbà, tó máa tún gbà yín, á tún kó jẹ. Ẹ gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wọn yín. Ní owó tó yẹ kẹ́ rí. Jẹ́jẹ́ pẹ̀lú peace. Ẹ wo bí ẹ ṣe ṣayé yín, ẹ wo bí ẹ ṣe dẹ́lẹ́lẹ́yà. Wọ́n gbà yín, wọ́n wọ́ yín lẹ̀. Ẹ wo bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe ń bú yín ṣá. Lẹ́yìn tọ́mọ kú, ẹ wo bí gbogbo èèyàn ṣe ń bú yín. Àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké lórí Instagram, wọ́n ń bú yín ni. Ẹ wo nǹkan táwọn boys yìí tì yín sí. Ẹ wá sọ̀rọ̀ yín di yahoo boy, ẹ wá ń ṣe rádaràda. Ẹ ṣe yahoo boy. Ẹ ṣe bí ẹni tó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ life, bí ọmọ 25 years. Bí ọmọ yahoo. Owó bó ṣe ń bú yín káàkiri everywhere. Do you think you deserve that as Mohbad's father? No. When Mohbad was alive, he respected you. He loved you. But you betrayed him. You betrayed the family. Why? Because of money. How much have you made? Yẹn ló yà mí lẹ́nu. Èló lẹ ti ní? Èló lẹ ti save? Tẹ́ fi dá gbogbo ẹbí rú báyìí. And that was one thing your son always tell you, pé dáadé má baby jẹ́, má bẹ̀. Because you refuse to listen to your son. Tó sọ pé kẹ́ má scatter family. You refuse to listen. That's why I thought she did. Wọ́n sì máa drag yín jù báyìí lọ. Wọ́n máa drag yín débi pé ẹ máa sick. Let's be watching. Ẹ máa ṣe sìn lórí social media yìí. Because nǹkan tó mọ yín sọ tó bẹ̀ yín tí òun lè ṣe sìn, òun lè ṣe rádaràda tẹ́ni ẹ fẹ́ bẹ̀bí yẹn jẹ́. You cannot respect your son. You cannot respect anybody. You don't listen to anyone. Anything you want to do, you want to do it. You want to do the job of the doctor. You want to do the job of the lawyer. You want to do the job of everybody. You tell Kawe, tell Kapamaisis. You want to do the job of everybody. You want to tell the lawyer what to do. You want to tell the doctor what to do. You want to tell this what to do. You want to tell pathologists what to do. You want to tell everybody what to do. And you have no idea. Say Nigeria police here will go. They might not jail him, but tell him to report daily to Alagbo Omo Joseph. Yes. They told him to come and be signing. He goes there to sign up. Because it was on it was on bail. He's still on bail. With Shorty. They took his mug shot. Like a suspect. It's like a suspect to them, yes. Abi, the suspect in it. Because all she were under investigation. That's she bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni o for ọmọ yín. Láì ní respect fúnra yín. Owó bá wọn yẹn ṣe pé yín bó ṣe kó fún yín because you deserved it. Ẹ wo bí tẹ́ bára yín dé. Mo máa sọ̀rọ̀ o. Mo máa bẹ̀ yín o. Mo máa bẹ̀ yín o. Kí ló dé? Mo máa bẹ̀ yín o. wá lọ sórí platform UK ni a máa wine yín ẹni tó ní joy a máa wine yín so that gbogbo yín lè just go down together. You will be talking tọ́ba gbogbo tó pọ̀ tọ́ba tí wọ́n bá ṣe DNA má sọ tó pọ̀ mọ́ mi ibẹ̀ náà lẹ ti sọ bàbá ẹ yọkùn ibẹ̀ lẹ ti sọ gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ jargon tẹ́ sọ orí platform lẹ ti máa ń sọ tó bá ti wine ní tó ti ń jọ̀rọ̀ sí báyìí because ó mọ̀ pé máa go down together. Kíníkan ṣé àwọn obìnrin àbárí fáǹsì wọ́n máa fi wọ́n sẹ́wọ̀n tó bá fún wọn lẹ́wọ̀n 5 years nísìn àbí 10 years 7 years rí sọ fún yín mo ní àwọn kan máa ṣẹ̀sìn kí justice for Mohbad ọ̀hún tó dé ń ṣe rádaràda. Is this how to look for justice? Is this justice for Mohbad? I have never seen an organization or any association that wants justice for Mohbad. You want justice for somebody and you want the people that are alive, you want them to go and meet the person that has already passed. You want to pay èèyàn tó wà láyé fún èèyàn tó ti kú. What kind of justice is that? Ẹ fẹ́ pa gbogbo ẹbí because of one person. You want to clear the whole family because of one person, because of Mohbad. Ṣé Mohbad yẹn òun ló kò sí ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan tó ti kú after Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad yẹn, justice for Mohbad yẹn, àwọn tó ti kú family yẹn ti wá justice fún wọn. Ṣé àwọn tó ti kú nínú ẹbí yín ẹ ti wá justice fún wọn? How can you be looking for justice for Mohbad and your son is in the jail? You cannot find justice for that one. And you guys are listening to that rubbish. What's the meaning of justice for Mohbad? Ṣé justice yín yẹn ó ní kẹ́ máa parọ́ ni? Say the truth, for God's sake. Stop lying to your people. Stop lying to your viewers. About this, so. Again, yeah, sadist ni. Kini kan, ẹni tó máa rẹ́rìn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tó ń sunkún yẹn. Who cares? I'm a very blunt person. I don't do rubbish. I have family. I don't do rubbish. I don't support nonsense. Mo ní family. Mo láwọn ọmọ tí mo fẹ́ live fún. I cannot die for any justice. Like you. I have family. Mo lẹ́bí ẹbí, mo lẹ́bí ìyá, mo lẹ́bí bàbá, mo lẹ́bí. So you're looking for justice for Mohbad? Property, yeah. What are you looking for? What is your problem with the property? What is your problem with letting Mohbad in be? Ṣé Mohbad ò níyàwó lé? What is your problem? What's your problem with what Mohbad left behind? They will give you something, fine. You're not the next of kin. You're not the next of kin to Mohbad. Stop deceiving yourself. You want to take the birth certificate for Liam. You want to take the placenta of Liam. You want to get DNA of Liam. You want to take the property that belongs to Liam. The landed property on Liam's name, you want to claim it. You want to take the house. Everything. You want to take the death certificate of Mohbad. You everywhere. You, only you. Àgbàlagbà máa ní Mohbad kò tó kú kò má ṣọmọdé kò má ṣọdá age ó mà níyàwó nílé. Even if you're saying girlfriend there sharing nínú law ó ti marry to the government marriage. Even you cannot submit anything. Everything you have been submitting about Wunmi, you put Mrs. Aloba there. You know yourself that she was married to your son. Even the DNA, what did you put there? Mrs. Aloba. She can't Mrs. Aloba. Yeah, now you're saying it's forbidden. Don't call him Mrs. Aloba. It's a taboo. Which taboo? The Aloba was given to her by her husband, not you. Aloba was given to her by her husband. She will drop it if she wants. Nobody, you can't, not you. You can't take that Aloba from her. And also, she doesn't even want that Aloba Papa. So why are you saying Aloba? You call Kilonja Aloba? Kini kota en ṣe ni ran yin? Kini kota Aloba kan ti ṣe rí? Kini kota ti gbé ṣe rí? Ta ló ma Aloba rí? Kini kota en ṣe? àbí kì í ṣàwọn náà lẹ ní kó máa rìkọ́ọ̀dù ìyá Mohbad ṣé àwọn alọ́ba yẹn nìyẹn ṣé àwọn alọ́ba yẹn náà nìyẹn wọ́n bá ìyá Mohbad sọ̀tọ̀ wọ́n rìkọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀yẹn tí ìyá Mohbad ò ṣẹ̀wọ̀n ṣùgbọ́n àwọn alọ́ba náà nìyẹn tó wá ń gbé wá fún spíkà lórí social media ṣé àwọn alọ́ba yẹn náà nìyẹn àbí I don't know èwo ló wà responsible bẹ́ẹ̀ èwo ló wà responsible tẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ ṣe yàmàyàmá ẹ̀yà lọ́ba pé ò ní orúkọ ẹ̀ àwọn wo ló bá yín sọ ta ló sọ fún yín not because of Mohbad but because of his royalty justice yes you want to claim everything ọ̀rọ̀ jáde àṣẹ tẹ̀lé ọ̀rọ̀ jáde àṣẹ tẹ̀lé nígbà tó ń nà ọmọ yín ẹ lọ lọ àṣẹ yẹn fún Naira Marley ìgbà táwọn èèyàn nà ọmọ yín ṣèbájọ ṣe Marley á ní àbí ṣe àwọn Marley àyẹn mélòó lẹ ti lọ lọ àṣẹ fún àwọn wo lẹ ti lọ lọ àṣẹ fún nínú Marley à ọ̀rọ̀ jáde àṣẹ ohun míì nìkan ni gbogbo yín máa ń létí nígbà tí lọ́ọ̀yà Mohbad tó gbé lẹ́tà lé lọ́wọ́ lọ́jọ́ sí ṣọlẹ̀ panu mọ́ tẹ̀bẹ̀ sí bẹ̀bẹ̀ àwọn ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ yín nìyẹn tó bá ti even prime boy gan ọ̀bí yín dákẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹni àwọn ṣùgbọ́n wù mí yìí ni wọ́n ń dẹ́kí yẹyẹ wọ́n ń dẹ́kí wọ́n máa dókiri àti indomie fọmọ mi bolẹ̀ yín wà tẹ́ ẹ kú lórí nígbà tó ń ṣe indomie fọmọ yín ni nígbà tó ń ṣe indomie fọmọ yín tọmọ yín dẹ̀ ń jẹ ṣebí Marley àlẹ́pẹ́ nílé Marley nílé Naira Marley lẹ́nà tí ń ṣe indomie fún wọn dẹ̀ ń jẹ after tó ń ṣe indomie fún tó ń fọ̀dí sínú abọ́ fún tó jẹ tó ń fọ gbogbo ẹ̀ fún tó jẹ after yẹn màlẹ́ ń bẹ̀ lẹ́yìn gọ́gọ́ bẹ̀ ṣọ́ tún so indomie fẹ́yìn náà ni tẹ́yìn náà ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ kọ́ bá yín fọmọ yín after yẹn màlẹ́ mú kiri pé kó wá lọ bímọ fọmọ yín ṣé wọ́n ṣe indomie fẹ́yìn náà ni báwo lẹ ṣe wá ń bẹ̀ pé kó wá fẹ́ mọ yín ṣé wọn sọ pé ifo òun fẹ́ bímọ ni ṣe bẹ́yìn lẹ́ ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ kó wá bímọ ó sọ fún yín pé òun ti fẹ́ bímọ wọ́n ṣe enjoy ara wọn ni ẹ̀yin lẹ́ sọ pé ẹ̀wọ́n ọmọ tó fẹ́ sí tipátipá kó bímọ torí ẹ̀ lè ṣe mú ọmọ kékeré tẹ̀mú lọ sórí òkè káàkiri pé gbọ́dọ̀ bímọ fún yín so kí wá lẹ́ ń sọ ẹ wá sọ pé Wùnmí ọmọ yín ó fẹ́ ìyàwó tí ò da àṣànà yín lẹ́tí sí tí Wùnmí ò bá ṣe ìyàwó gidi tó yẹ kó ọmọ yín fẹ́ yín lẹ́jẹ́ kó fẹ́ àbí bí tó ti ń ya wọn ẹ̀yin lẹ post ẹ̀ náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ post ẹ̀ ṣe bí mo ní líǹkì tí kí ló ń pè kí ní yín lórí kí ló ń pè Instagram yìí ibẹ̀ lẹ post ẹ̀ sí náà Instagram yìí lẹ post ẹ̀ sí ṣé bá yín wá jáde ni ẹ ṣe yàmàyàmà kiri tí ẹ ní ibẹ̀ náà ṣe yàmàyàmà òṣì. You posted it yourself. In fact, you know how to give Josie well. Àbí ẹ rí pé akin buyon bí a dẹ̀ kin fa ìsìyàn à ń bá ìjọba jà. À ń bá ìjọba jà. Ọlọ́run ló máa ń ṣe dáadáa fún yàn láyé. Bó ti jẹ́ pé nǹkan ló fi ná ni o, wọ́n fi nǹkan ná ni o, wọ́n ṣe nǹkan báyìí ni Ọlọ́run náà ni. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá ṣàìdá kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ lọ scot free. That I know. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá ṣàìdá láyé kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ lọ scot free. Where's Ìyálọ́ládé? Ìyálọ́ládé wà nílé ẹ̀. Ọmọọba Jésù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ọmọọba Jésù lórí TikTok yẹn. Instagram Josie. Ọmọọba Jésù ló ń jẹ́. Òun ló post picture bí tó ṣe báyìí. Rárá fún mi lọ́mọ, I am not a womanizer. Ọyọ́ kí wá ẹ̀ka sọ́lọ́, I am not a man. Ó yẹ rírí kan. Ọmọọba Jésù ló ń jẹ́. Ibẹ̀ ló post ẹ̀ sí ní years back. Nígbà tó wọn àti Wùnmí tí Wùnmí sì ń gbé girlfriend fún ni tọrọ wọn ṣì wọ tí trailer ò tí gbàárín wọn ibẹ̀ ló post sí wọn ní ìsinyìí àwọn yẹn dá àwọn yẹn